In Part 3, let's cover advanced VA loan details and the final steps to homeownership. To use a VA loan, you need a Certificate of Eligibility, also called a COE. Most lenders can request your COE electronically in just minutes. VA loans include a one-time funding fee that helps keep the program running. The good news, this fee can usually be rolled into the loan amount. VA loans require a VA appraisal to ensure the home meets safety and value standards. This protects buyers from overpaying or purchasing unsafe properties. Once approved, you move to closing, often with lower out-of-pocket costs. After closing, you receive the keys and officially become a homeowner. To explore VA loan benefits in detail, visit mortgagesperfected.com. Mortgages Perfected, helping you honor your service with smart home financing.